Have you ever picked up your phone just to check one notification, and somehow an hour disappeared? You watched a few shorts, scrolled through social media, replied to a couple of messages, and suddenly you couldn't even remember what you were supposed to do. Then you looked at your books, your laptop, or that important assignment and thought, why can't I focus? If you've ever felt that way, you're not lazy, and you're definitely not alone. The truth is, your brain has become addicted to distraction. The good news is that if your brain can learn this habit, it can also unlearn it. The world around us is designed to steal our attention. Every notification, every short video, every like, and every new post gives our brain a tiny reward. After a while, our brain starts expecting these quick rewards all the time. That's why studying for even 15 minutes feels difficult while watching videos for 2 hours feels effortless. It's not because you're weak. It's because your brain has been trained to choose what feels easy instead of what actually helps you grow. Think about your daily routine. Maybe you sit down to study with good intentions. 5 minutes later, your phone buzzes. You tell yourself you'll check it for just a second, but 1 second turns into 30 minutes. Then you lose motivation, feel guilty, and promise you'll do better tomorrow. The next day, the same thing happens again. This cycle repeats until you start believing you're simply not disciplined enough. But discipline isn't the real problem. Your environment is. The first step to breaking free is making distractions harder to reach. If your phone is beside you while you're studying, your brain will always want to check it. Put it in another room, turn off unnecessary notifications, or keep it face down where you can't see it. It sounds like a small change, but small changes create big results over time. When distractions are out,